PENGU Virtual Pet. Let's take a look at this app. It's getting more popularity, so let's just try to install it and see how it looks like, how it works. So this app is about that you're just raising cute PENGU pet with your friends. So PENGU is a digital pet. Immerse yourself into a captivating virtual pet world that captures the essence of classic virtual pet games. Here you can raise your very own adorable penguin, play engaging games, and connect with friends in this delightful virtual pet adventure. For fans of Tamagotchi's digital pet simulators, PENGU offers a unique mix of low-care games and entertainment. Raise a pet with your friends and as a widget. So co-parenting virtual pet nirvana, and this app offers the quintessential virtual pet experience that fans of virtual pets have cherished for years. Customize your PENGU's paradise, elevate your PENGU's living space with plethora of cute outfits, play engaging mini games, add a cute widget. PENGU is the perfect experience for everyone. PENGU provides platforms to stay connected, challenge each other with fun activities, and share achievements for couples, for friends, for families. So that's the app. There are a bunch of other apps in this area. There is Widgetable, but yeah, this one is quite good, and it's very nicely designed. And I think it's built by a nice team, which also built some other viral apps. So let's just take a look here. So here is the app, and then you just create your account. And then basically this is how it looks like. You can tap find your friends, invite a friend for co-parenting. So here's how it looks like. You can just give it here, and then search for contact or username, and then you can just go and send invitation for a number. Just tap add, and then also you can just here you can see that there are pets. You need to take a look after pet, otherwise it's not working. Or you can just tap add a friend, and then you start a new pet just by raising a pet together. I guess you can only raise one pet with a friend. So basically I just want to restart, and then here there is like some gifts which you can get. So then you just have it here. So then basically you need to look after this pet together with your friend. So you're taking care of it with your friend together. In top left you see here, you see like the name of the pet, you see like the settings, you can see change name, delete PENGU, change, that's just your settings. And then you see that who is raising that, that you are raising this with your friend. Then you can go, and then you can just go and chat with basically with your partner. So the idea is that you just raising it together, and then like you can just use this app as a great communication tool. For example, if you want to raise this digital pet together with your partner, so that's just what you can do. And then here you have also coins which you can collect. You can see here there are a lot of daily rewards which are gifted to you. So daily free chest, but unfortunately you just need to watch probably some annoying ad. So yeah, in top right you have coins, and then you can just get those. This app is a bit glitchy, to be honest. There are some issues with it, but yeah, you can just go and restart it. And then top right there are coins. You can just buy no ads package for 900 coins, I guess. Wow. And then special parent. So chests. You can just discover this and just yeah, a lot of packages. Here you have, and then you can just also get some 20 coins for free. You can get some food for free just watching ads, or you can buy coins like 300 coins for $2. Gems, and then there is like a first purchase reward and all of the things. So a bunch of that things, and then there are also like diamonds. That's that. Yep, and then in the store you have here, so you have food. So you need, if you want to buy a drink for your pet, you can just buy it for 5 coins. And then basically, yeah, you just still need to watch an ad. And then basically your pet wants to play, and sometimes you just need to play games with the pet. So yeah, that's the idea. And then yeah, so you just spending the time with your pet. A bit annoying thing about like this app is recently, it started to push too many ads. There weren't too many ads in this app before, but I think right now they're just over pushing it a bit. So unfortunately, that's what it is. And then yeah. So you have diary as well, so quite advanced app, a lot of things to play with this pad, and it's quite nice. And you just go in here and you have it. And then of course finally you can just add the widget either to your home screen or to lock screen. So either you can just basically tap and hold and then just add a PENGU widget, and then you take care of this widget from your home screen. Probably you need to restart the app or restart your phone that it will start appearing. And also you can add like a lock screen widget just on your lock screen. So that's that. So yeah, quite a nice app. However, yeah, probably you will need either to upgrade or here as you see your username, your parenting code. You can share your link, and then if you wanna, you can just, there is possible to delete your account. In the bottom, change username, and then delete your pet here with 3 dots. And then yeah, like the one thing is annoying with this app is that you need to buy no ads package, which is $9 probably for this app to be less annoying. And this is one-time charge, so you only pay once. And then free was that, so gem spin, and then you can also get some additional gems, but if you're watching ads. So there you have it. So good luck taking care of your pet.